Hi, I'm Eva Murphy from Electronic Engineering at IT Sligo, and this is my Leave Cert Maths Grinds channel. I'll regularly add new videos for both higher and ordinary level maths, so make sure you subscribe below and click the bell icon to be notified of new videos.
Okay, so the next construction we're going to do is 16a, and I'm going to do 16a and 16b together, okay, because they're related. So it's the circumcenter of a given triangle using only a straight edge and a compass. So circumcenter, and 16b, the circumcircle of a given triangle using only the straight edge and compass. Okay, so I'm going to do two of them together now, and I'm going to use the worksheet from SQLnet as we've been doing all along. But before I do that, I just want to show you a little bit in the book as to what exactly we're looking for, okay? So this is just one of the Leave Cert books. So here on the left, I have the circumcircle, okay? So the circumcircle goes through the three vertices or the three corners of triangle. You'll be given a particular triangle in the question, and you have to draw the circumcircle around it. And you know you're right when the circle goes through the three corners, bang on the three corners of the triangle. And the center of that circumcircle then, where you're going to put the needle of the compass, is what we call the circumcenter of that circle. Okay, so that's the circumcircle. Its center is called the circumcenter. To get this one, you have to bisect the lines of the triangle. Okay, and you'll see me do that in the construction. I'm just going to also compare it here to the in-circle, because these are the two that you can confuse. The in-circle is when the circle, again, you're given a triangle, the in-circle is inside the triangle. So that's how I remember them. The in-circle is inside the triangle. So therefore, the circumcircle must be the one on the outside. The center of the in-circle is called the in-center. You can see it there. And to get the in-center, you bisect the angles of the triangle. So to get the circumcircle, bisect the lines. To get the in-circle, you bisect the angles. Okay, so that's what we're going to be doing. Okay, so this one here from SQLnet, construct the circumcenter of a given triangle with compass and a straight edge. Okay, so like I said, we have to bisect the lines of the triangle. And it's actually enough to bisect just 2 out of the 3 lines to give you that circumcenter. Okay, so let's bisect the line. We'll bisect this one first. Okay, so if you remember, this was, let me just check the list. This was construction 2 that we did, and there's a video on this, how to do a perpendicular bisector of a segment or a line. Okay, so bisect this. You put the needle into one corner and you draw an arc that's just a little bit over halfway of the line. Like so. And then I go to the corner on the opposite side of that line. Okay, and you can see I swung my page around just for convenience. I don't change the size of my compass, and I draw it again. And it's these 2 crosshairs that I'm looking for, because when I join these crosshairs together, it bisects the line. Okay, so let's do that and try and be as accurate as you can so you get your circumcircle to go through the corners. So that's as such, okay? And you can see I've done it quite a long distance because I need the bisectors of these lines to intersect, because that gives me the circumcenter. Okay, so I need another line. It doesn't matter which of these 2 I bisect. Let's do the top one here. This one. Okay, so again, put your needle in one of the corners, a little bit more than halfway, and draw your semicircle. Okay, go down to the other corner, put your needle in again, don't change the distance of your compass, and do it again. Okay, so I have my crosshairs now, so that's good. Join them together as such. Okay, and if you can see it here, I'm just going to draw a dot. Okay, if you can see that dot there, that is the circumcenter of this triangle. Okay, it's where this perpendicular bisector and this perpendicular bisector down here, it's where they meet. Okay, and if I bisect this line here, you'll also find that it will meet at that point also. Okay, so take him out here. He is my circumcentre. Okay, my circumcenter, or TER, it doesn't matter. So then to draw my circumcircle, because I'm going to do all together here now, you put your needle into that point. You bring your compass out to one of the corners, as such, and you spin your compass. If you've it done right, it should go through all three corners of the triangle. Okay, so this one looks good, this one looks good, this one is ever so slightly inside, sorry, I'm going outside, it's ever so slightly off, but it is close enough. Okay, so this is my circumcircle. Okay, so you can draw a triangle, and there's loads of exam questions on this. This would work the same. Bisect this line, and I'm just going to roughly do it. Bisect another line. See where they meet. Put in your needle, and of course I've just guessed this one now, so it's not going to work perfectly. But put it in, spin. And of course it doesn't work because I only guessed. But so try that one. Try and see, do you get it right? Does it work for you perfectly? They are going to meet up here. I can see that now, so that you go through this corner and see, does it work for you? So the circumcircle and the circumcentre, super, super important for the BEng course.